Hello, home storage basket retailers, importers, and distributors. Are you looking for a unique, handcrafted solution to enhance your product line? Our factory specializes in creating exquisite crochet storage baskets that combine functionality with natural charm. Made from high-quality cotton rope and t-shirt yarn, each basket is meticulously handwoven to ensure durability, eco-friendliness, and a distinctive aesthetic appeal. Whether your customers need a versatile organizer for shelves, office desks, makeup collections, towels, baby nurseries, or closets, our baskets deliver the perfect blend of style and practicality. With our direct factory pricing, you enjoy competitive wholesale rates along with the option for customization, ensuring that each piece meets your market's unique needs. Our commitment to quality and sustainability makes our products a standout choice in the home storage market. Join us in transforming everyday spaces into organized, stylish environments. Contact us today to explore our product range and discover how we can help you enhance your offerings.